Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will solve the very famous LeetCode question number 941, which is valid mountain array. Uh, uh, first we will break down the problem. After that we will go through the example and then look the C++ solution. So basically, problem this problem says you are given integer of array. You need to determine whether it forms a valid mountain array, and array is a mountain array if its length is at least 3. There exists some index "i" such that array of 0 is less array of 1 is less than array of 2, and so on array of I, strictly increasing. After that, array of I is greater than array of I plus 1 is greater than array of I, and so on array of array dot length minus 1 is strictly decreasing. In short, the array should strictly increase to a peak, then strictly decrease. Let's take an example. Input array is equal to 2 and 1. Output false because the array is too short to form a mountain. And let's take a second example. With We have an array which is 355. Because the peak is not strictly I greater than its neighbors. So my approach is we have taken two-pointer traversal approach. This idea is simple because first check if its array has at least three elements. If not, return false. Traverse the array from the start while the next element is strictly greater. This finds the fix. If the fix is at index 0 or at the last index is so not a valid mountain, return false. Then traverse the array while the next element is strictly smaller. If we reach the end, the array is a valid mountain array. So we write the code. First, we store the array dot stars into a variable. So if n is less than 0, then and if n is less than 0, then return false. Integer I is equal to 0 while I plus 1 less than n, and then array of I less than array of I plus 1 I plus plus. If I is equal to 0 or I is equal to n minus 1, then it turn false, while I plus 1 less than n, and then array of I is array of I plus 1 is return I plus 1. So our code is done. So run the code. As you can see, every test case is going to be passed. That's it. Is a story the LeetCode question number 941. Thank you for watching this video.